rock.
Jumped off a rock?
Yeah, rock in the water.
No, it looks like things. Jaron, did they jump in?
What? Oh, I didn't see.
Are they in the water?
No, they're not over there.
No, they just pushed the rock.
Brother Purdue, did anybody jump in over there?
They just put a big old rock in.
What did you do? They jumped off a rock.
Strap. Come this way. I'm recording right now.
I know.
Where did Jacob go?
Oh, he went back over there.
Here, let me come out before you go by.
Alright. Well, when he falls, he's gonna be fine because he has his like swimming suit on. I got that on camera.
Did you get pictures of that?
Yeah.
I got it on.
Watch out, I'm going, I'm jumping in.
That's cool.
I can see why. Magic.
So you're already wet. Swim back.
Oh, jeez.
I'm gonna go first, man. Did you bring a swimming suit, Jen?
No. Jeez, this stupid branch always catches me. Yeah.
Every time or what?
Well, like, it's been twice.
Have you only gone down or gone back 2 times?
Yeah.
To both times?
Yeah.
So that would be every time, bro.
Dog, we made it back.
I'm getting my swimsuit on.
Yeah. It's a great land. Love it. Like about a 5-pound pack there. Oh yeah, he does well with it too.
Yeah, I carry his damn food. He carries all bedroll with his food. He's strong. He got the energy to run 5 miles. He can carry shit.
Oh wow. It's really the chops and stuff. Yes, so. A lot of weight.
You got pictures of him going in?
Yeah.
I'm putting my swimsuit on.
Is that cold, Log?
A little bit.
What are you doing now? Is that a fish?
Yeah.
Doing this. Don't jump in. I told you why. You can jump in. You can't jump in off the bridge or anything else.
Yeah, it looks pretty dang shallow from here. Like, I can see the bottom.
Let's go jumping off that log.
I'm jumping off the log. That's fine.
Alright, let's go.
You know, let's get something to do. You didn't bring a towel, by the way. I hope you know, Logan.
You know the water's really cool? Jump off that log, now you can put me in the
No, it's not. Is it cold?
Yeah. It's freezing.
Are you guys belly flopping?
Yeah, I'll belly flop.
I'll belly flop.
Dude, I'll belly flop with this, Bates.
I'll belly flop with this.
Yeah, you guys
My 12 pack.
Oh yeah.
When you're
It
close.
was red.
You filming?
Yeah.
Now, where you
Hi, YouTube.
here?
I'm putting this on. What?
No, I'm not.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Where are you
Yeah.
jumping from?
That log, so I was gonna jump off the bridge.
Log to the water.
I was gonna jump off the bridge, but my dad wouldn't let me.
Let's can open it.
Hey, Dad. I mean,
Go.
Michael. Michael, let's set up our tent, dude.
Told you if you go down there below the bridge and prove to me how deep it is, I'll let you jump. But until you do that,
I'm only going in for a second.
Yeah, it's true. We need to know how deep it is. Did you get pictures of us throwing that rock over? Nice. There you go. He got pictures of the boulder.
oh, awesome.
How much you say?
I want to know where you're jumping
Has
from.
anyone caught a fish yet?
Where's the
Backpackers
We
just
saw
came by,
some.
said they've never seen anyone.
He said he's never caught anything here.
Who?
He's a backpacker guy, so.
I don't like the green water.
It's funny
huh?
because there's a website that says there's great fishing up here.
Yeah,
It's not catching.
there's great fish.
I saw a trout frolicking along.
We got a lot of bites up here.
How deep is it, Garen?
I need a bigger weight.
Yeah, how deep is it right here?
I can like if you look closely, you can see the bottom a little bit.
Really?
A little bit.
Reflection of trees.
Yeah, it's pretty deep, Dad.
Go prove it to me.
Okay, I'll prove it to you by jumping off.
We need Logan to swim out here and then dive.
Yeah, just one person dive down.
Yeah.
That's all you have to do. If you prove it to me, I'll let you do it. But
Dalton proved it.
it needs to be like,
Die.
it needs to be so you could go all the way, touch the bottom with your arm up, and that doesn't come above.
That's a flop.
You guys have a wetsuit?
A wetsuit? Yeah, we brought a wetsuit to a hiking trip.
Yeah.
Riker probably has a wetsuit.
Yeah, ask Riker. Start rummaging around Riker's pack.
Yeah.
You might find a wetsuit.
Brother James says he has a rope we could tie a rock to.
You can try it.
Can I?
If Bishop Purdue's okay with that, then sure.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, if you can see, figure out how deep it is.
Okay, tomorrow. Yeah, I'm thinking about jumping off this too.
What
Well,
is
actually,
that worth to see a belly flop?
Oh, none of them
that's
would
worth-
belly flop from this.
No, not from here. Ooh. That would hurt so bad.
at the last second.
Yeah, you don't need to do that. Don't care how deep. If they're belly flop, you don't need it. You're not going more than
Yeah.
Those kids
8 inches
So we
under
were
the
belly
water.
flopping at like 3 feet.
Oh, the
If that.
waterfall.
Yeah. Is that 3 feet off that rock?
Like we're getting
It's just mentally so hard to make yourself
And it
do
was,
it.
it is. And it was so cold that it just makes it like you're jumping on cement.
It hurts.
It hurts so
I
bad.
didn't do it. I
Then you just shiver it afterwards. And,
Yeah.
Olsen's, he was like all the way out like.
oh yeah.
Also,
Olsen's
he put all his chips in. And paid the price. Price of glory.
That waterfall.
mosquitoes are thick.
They are.
They don't even care.
Tell you what though, that deet is a miracle worker.
Pretty good.
I see him around me, but I don't feel a thing.
Yeah, I was using lighter stuff
Unless
earlier.
my skin's just numb and they're biting.
You give a couple bites.
Yeah, those are from. I got bit earlier because I didn't put any on before the hike.
I did. I'm smart.
They make me nervous. Even though they're not biting me, I know they want to. The intent is there. Adamson didn't put it on his back.
Can you eat?
Just killed 2 of them.
No,
One
they're all
slap.
over my shirt. You put them on your clothes?
Oh, they'll bite right through your clothes.
Yeah, they've been doing
Oh,
that
yeah.
to me.
So you deed up? Will the deed eat through my shirt?
Just plastic seems to be the thing that it affects.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go home with it.
Jerry, did Logan jump in?
No, not yet.
I did.
They're gonna see how deep it is.
Then.
They're gonna.
Riker.